Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So, if you wish to block the number which you've got saved on your contacts and you'd like to do it quickly, simply tap on the dialer, go to contacts, find the contact which you'd like to block. So, for example, let me choose this one. Just tap on it and tap on this info icon. Then 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on block contact. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on block. And here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that the number has been blocked successfully. Of course we can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. Another way to block the number is to enter the settings and enter the blacklist. So we have to tap on this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and go to the settings. Here we've got this option block numbers, and we've just entered our blacklist, and that's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option also works. Here you can also enter the contacts or the recents to choose the number you'd like to block, or you can add the phone number manually. Just tap on this section, enter the number and tap on this plus icon, and it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. Moreover, you can block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on this switcher right here, and turn it off just by tapping on it again. If you wish, you can also unblock the number. Just tap on this minus icon next to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.